So in today's video, we're going to look at the convert function. You can see here's all the different things that can be converted. Area, distance, energy, you can read them all through. So these are all the different things that can be converted. The conversion process is the same no matter what. So you have an example here of 3.4 days. I'm converting this into hours. So I take the value. So I'm referencing a different cell. I convert it from day to hour. So that's my from unit is day and my to unit is hour. I could, of course, go from day to seconds. I could go day to minutes. I could do all sorts of different time versions. But for this example, I'm doing days to hours. So 3.4 days is 81.6 hours. That then can be converted into minutes. So 4,896 minutes. So that's taking the hours to the minutes. Now I could reference back to B1 and then say, well, I'm going to do this from days to minutes, and that would give me the same value, 4,896. And then seconds. So again, I'm doing it off the minutes, but I could actually do it right off the days on the first one. You don't have to do each step. This I'm just showing you for an example. Here's an example of temperature. So 32.5 degrees Celsius, which is 90.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is C to F. The capitalization does matter in these, so you need to make sure you have it right. I've got some of these over here on the right-hand side so you can see. We'll go through those in a second. Teaspoon to tablespoon, so TSP to TBS. Again, those are sensitive, case sensitive, so make sure you're using the right ones. And then here I've got gallons, and the reason I'm showing this, got gallons to liters, and then liters to quarts. Again, I could go straight off gallons, but this is a US quart, and then this is a US pint. So if I was to change this to UK pint, so just to go through these, you've got weight and mass. So here's all the different measurements that you can change. You've got pressure. I mean, these are items that aren't commonly used, but if you're in that field and you need to use those, they're very useful. Information, bits to bytes, force, newtons, dynes, pound force. We've got lots of distances here, lots of things that people don't necessarily use every day. You got light years right in here. Time, so these are the traditional ones we're used to. Power, so this is if you want to convert power to things. Energy, which is obviously different. You have magnetism. I didn't even know Tesla was a measurement of magnetism, so there you go. Temperature, so all the different temperature conversions that can happen. Area, so all of these different areas, and obviously you've got difference between UK and US areas. So all of those are in there. You've got volume, so lots of different things for volume. And this includes things like cubics, so cubic inch, cubic foot. And then this also involves the UK and the US as well. And then you've got speed, so you can do, knots, things like that, which is nice as well. So this is definitely a powerful tool that you can use, especially if you're not in a standard, finance. A lot of people just use Excel when they're in, say, the financial world or something adjacent to it. But here you can see you can convert all sorts of different values that are found in other areas and other different industries. I don't think atomic mass unit is often used in finance, but if that's what you use and that's what you need to measure, it can convert it for you.